Hello and welcome to our introduction of a beta version of a Z-stacking focusing arrangement for optical compound microscopes. This is all made in America. This microscope here is an interesting instrument that has glass scales on the Z-axis as well as the XY axis of the stage. So you'll see if I move the stage, we're getting direct readouts. So that's real interesting for our testing of the Z focus. We can zero these out. And the lower scale, the third scale on here, is the Z axis. Now the system normally wouldn't have these glass scales. This is just a test and to illustrate this controller, which is integrated with the stepper motor that you see here on this bracket attached to the microscope, and our own little flexible connectors that are available in different sizes for different types of microscopes. So they simply interchangeably fit onto the drive shaft of the stepper motor. The control unit has a power input, a interface for your computer, a cable input for various camera makes such as Canon, Nikon, and then a connector for the stepper motor itself. The USB cable is plugged directly into your PC or Mac, and we use the software from companies such as Zerene Stacker and Helicon Focus. So here again, this is a beta system, a little bit beyond a prototype in that the controller is USA made, and we've just integrated a stepper motor with that controller. So to give you a quick demo of the system, I have a sample set up. It's a diatom that is running through at predetermined 15 micron steps. Although the 15 microns that's indicated here is really translated down to about 3/4 of a micron steps on this diatom. And here you'll see we're taking 8 individual photographs. The shutters being sent a signal to open, and we go back and we can show that again. Take a look at the monitor. Now normally this would all be done with a digital camera, usually a single lens reflex type or a mirrorless interchangeable lens type, which is becoming very popular. And you interface to the computer with your camera set up for the live view mode, and then you can do everything from your computer display. So right now we're not using a digital SLR, we're using an analog camera just for illustration purposes. So we want to make that clear that this is our test system, and the product will be called RetroZED. Thanks for listening.